For many professionals, no two contracts are ever the same. As snow hits the ground, snow removal contractors need to respond quickly and efficiently to harsh winter elements before it's too late. Expand your capabilities with the 3500X, the new expandable snow pusher from HLA Snow. HLA's newest solution to the ever-changing landscape of winter. Easy to use, the 3500X runs like a conventional snow pusher. Whether in travel position or fully extended, the mold board provides containment expected when pushing snow. When rolled forward, the integrated back drag and end plates form a box ideal for pulling snow away from buildings and other obstructions. The back drag and spring tip cutting edge can be equipped with steel or rubber cutting edges to best suit the surface being cleared. Easy to operate, a flow divider routes the hydraulics, extending each mold board simultaneously for maximized plowing. This ensures the operator can focus on the environment around them while the blade extends evenly. Backed by our 2-year commercial warranty, HLA stands by their blades so you can stand up to real Canadian winters. Extend your capabilities with the 3500 Snow Pusher from HLA Snow.